If you have dark spots on your face, okay, your face is filled with dark spots, probably you have tried several products and nothing seems to be working. You have used several things and it's not working and all that. And sometimes when you have dark spots, stop. If you have pimple, acne or pigmentation, stop cutting the pimples on your face, because it will continue giving you dark spot. That is the mistake that some of us actually make. So if you have a dark spot or you have pimple and you keep on cutting off that part, it will continue giving you dark spot. And sometimes the dark spot is not even cleared and you are adding more dark spot to the dark spot that you have had previously. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to get rid of the dark spot if you have dark spot on your face. The first thing that you need to do for you to get cool spa salt, okay, active plus scrub. So if you can get this salt to scrub your face, let it become your morning and your evening routine, okay. If you have the time to do it both in the evening as well, use it to scrub your face and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you wash it off, and after you have washed it off, you don't just wash it off like that. Wash it off with lightening soap. Get the lightening soap. Extract soap is very good, especially when you get the original. Is that the Nigeria extract soap or the imported extract soap? Just make sure that the extract soap is original and use it to wash your face. If you cannot get extract soap, you go and get products, okay, papayas and carrot soap, and use it to wash your face to help to minimize the dark spots on your face. And the first cream that you are going to be using, if you have sensitive skin, just check on the first cream that is suitable for you. For those that are fair in complexion, go and get pure no max, because it's very good both for sensitive skin, both for oil skin, both for dry skin. It's very good. Go and get pure no max. I'm going to be leaving the picture. They have different types of no max, but I'm going to be leaving the picture of the one that I'm talking about so that you can know the exactly no max that I'm talking about. See, this no max face cream is very good. If you cannot get no max face cream, go and get, so it's either you get a Pearly Gold face or beauty face cream, Pearly Gold beauty face cream and use, or you get Arena Gold. These are the beautiful one that I know that even when your face is inflamed, it will not add any bond to your skin. It's very good. Arena Gold or Pearly Gold, just go ahead and make use of any of them, okay. For cleanser, if at all you need to use cleanser, go for Simple Cleanser. This simple product that you are seeing right here is a very good product, okay, and make use of it on your face and you see the dark spots will start getting cleared, okay. The dark spot will be cleared with time. And when you are using this product, just be patient, because some of us, we want fast, something that is fast and all that. Be patient while using it so that you won't damage your face the more. So that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin, do take care of your health, and do not forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you.